Welcome to my channel! Today we're gonna cook. I'll teach you English and kitchen vocabulary. We're making a healthy, authentic tagine. Let's get started.
We'll start by picking up 2 onions, also 2 potatoes, 1 and 2, 1 eggplant, drop, 1 carrot, drop, 1 red bell pepper, 2 zucchinis, 1 and 2, 1 turnip, and the other one. Of course, parsley. I'm using chicken today, but you can use any kind of meat you want. I've already cleaned it and marinated it with parsley, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and lemon juice.
Welcome to part 2 of cooking tagine. Here are all our fresh ingredients ready to go.
Everything is prepped and ready to go. I've already cut up all the vegetables, so let's start cooking. I've sliced the potatoes, the onions, and my chicken is ready. I've cut the eggplants into chunks, the carrots into sticks, sliced the tomatoes and the red bell pepper into strips. Sliced the turnips, cut the zucchini, trimmed the green beans. I've also chopped some parsley and I've got some cooking oil.
Now we layer everything in and add fresh herbs.
So I put the oil under it. That's ginger, that's black pepper, that's salt. I have cumin and I have turmeric. I'm gonna close it and wait for the chicken to be fried from the sides. Then come back and complete. Okay, you see that? Now it's time to add the potatoes.
Let's add all the vegetables in. Pile them up to create a cone. Look at this perfect tagine.
Now it's time to pour in the sauce that I've told you guys I'm gonna make. So in the sauce I put turmeric, ginger, black pepper, salt, all of the spices I've showed you earlier. Now I will leave it to cook over low heat for 2 hours.
Now we let it slow cook and it's ready. Subscribe for more recipes. Bye!